Hey guys, welcome to Home Sweet Homeschool. If you're new here, my name is Ashley and I'm a homeschooling mom to one. And in today's video, we're gonna have so much fun. This video is a part of a collaboration hosted by Anna from Just Making It Work. So if you haven't checked out Anna's channel yet, I'm gonna have it linked in the description box. Go over there and check it out. She's always giving you tips and strategies to make your life run a little bit smoother, especially if you've got a family. You wanna go check her out. But she asked a bunch of YouTube moms if they wanted to get together and do a YouTube Moms Christmas gift exchange. And who doesn't like to get a gift in the mail? I mean, everybody does. So of course, I wanted to be a part of that. These ladies that are a part of this playlist are some of my dearest friends here on YouTube. We share all kinds of things with each other through Instagram, not just homeschooling things. We're just on there to support each other, and we've created really good friendships through YouTube, and I'm so thankful for that. So I am very thankful that Anna decided to host this collaboration. She had us set up on this website. We were able to make a wish list. We could see the person's wish list that was chose for us so that we could know exactly what they wanted, give us an idea for when we go out to shop for them. And it was great. It was organized beautifully. Thank you so much for that. So what you're going to want to do is stick around to the end of the video and I'll share with you who I sent a box to, but now I'm going to share with you my box. So when I got back from our trip to the mountains, my box was waiting for me and I was like, oh my gosh, I want to open it so bad, but I knew I needed to make this video. I did, however, open the card because I wanted to know who it was from so I could share their channel with you. So after reading the card, I found out it was Erica from Keeper of My Home. I'm going to list her channel down in the description box. Her channel is all about homeschool and motherhood and being a wife and a lot of Jesus. So if you want to leave feeling encouraged, definitely go check out her channel because you always leave feeling better. So that's who this was from. And I read the card and it says there's something scented, something sweet, and something to keep you nice and cozy, and also some homeschool mama supplies. So I'm all about that. So thank you, Erica. I've already sent her a little thank you, letting her know that I got the box, but I want to thank her again for taking the time out to go pick out these gifts for me and sending them to me. So let's open them. Let's see what we got. I'm not going to put the box, whoops, I just hit the camera. I'm not going to put the box in view because of course our addresses are on there. So she said I could open them in any order. Oh my goodness. Right off the bat, look at this. These are stickers, and y'all, I'm a sucker for a sticker. So we've got Let Go and Let God. God bless you. Hope. Faith. And then this one says Back to School. So I have a lot of tumblers that I'll probably put these on. I love to put stickers on my tumblers that I drink out of. So love that. All right. Let's start with this. This feels really cozy. Let's open. She said I could open them in any order, so let's do it. And I'm not one for saving paper. I ripped into it. Oh, how beautiful. Cozy socks. You can never have too many cozy socks. My sister's going to be so jealous if she's watching this. I've got some cozy socks. Look at there. So cute. Thank you very much. And I stay cold, so that'll be perfect. All right. This one's soft. Let's do this one. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful. Now I live in the South. My last pair of gloves got ruined when it actually snowed here. Got ruined, and I haven't bought any more because it's just really not super duper cold here all the time. But this last week has been so cold and I didn't have any gloves. So thank you so much. These are really pretty. I like how they're ribbed or quilted, whatever you want to call that. Those are pretty. And I love gray. Anything gray. Oh, I don't know. I'm going to go with this one because this feels like something I love. I'm going to say that it's ink pens. Let's see. Oh, that's right. You guys, love them. This is my weakness. Ink pens and pajamas, love them. All right. Don't know what that is. Oh, yes. Yes. Girl, we use these all the time, Erica. I'm so thankful you sent this. This is where I mark our pages and our unit study. So these are going to get a ton of use. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now for this box. Looks like soap, but I can bet it's not soap. Oh, no, it's not soap. Oh my gosh. It's essential oils. You guys, I love peppermint. I love peppermint. Now, I don't know about the health benefits and things like that. I just like the way they smell. And I have a diffuser that I have running right now that has peppermint, and I'm about out. So this has peppermint and cinnamon and frankincense. Thank you so much. Peppermint is my all-time favorite scent. Love it. That's much better than a bar soap. All right, let's do this one. This one has a nice little shape to it. So let's see. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? Oh, it's a candle. Let me show you this first. How adorable is that? And I love red birds. This is adorable, and it's a candle. And it smells delicious. Love that. Love candles. Wonderful. All right. I got two more. Oh, wait, no. Look, I just found this in there. A little paper clip. It fell out in there. How cute is that? All right. Which one? Which one do I do? Let's do this one. Oh, wait, I think I found another one. Another paper clip. Sorry. Maybe I need to look through all this fluffy. There's like fluffy stuff in there. I should have looked through that. All right, here we go. Oh my goodness. A dark chocolatey coated marshmallow cocoa topper with peppermint. I didn't even know these things existed, and I love hot chocolate. Yes. Looks yummy. Go get yourself one. It looks great. All right. Last present. This. Yes. Feels like ink pens, highlighters, something of the sort. You guys, yes. Who doesn't love new highlighters? Oh my goodness. It's like everything I love. Things that smell good, things that keep me cozy, and things to write with. Oh my goodness. Love it. So again, I want to thank Anna for hosting. Check out the playlist because you can see what all the mamas got. Also check out Anna's channel. Thank you, Erica, so much for sending me these things. These are wonderful things and so thoughtful. Check out her channel as well. Now, for the person that I sent mine to, I've been talking with her for such a long time through YouTube and through Instagram, and that is Tiffany over at Blessed Bears. You're going to fall in love with their family. They are so sweet and so fun, and she's so good with her kids. Like, I love her interactions with her children. I feel like she is so genuine. I can't even say the word. There's so many families that I feel like on YouTube are just fake. And when I watch her, I just feel like they're my neighbors, you know? They're just genuine and nice and thoughtful, and their interactions with their kids are just so, it's just so sweet. And you're gonna fall in love with her. So I'm gonna link her channel down below as well. Check her out. And as always, thank you so much for watching.